Okay. Okay. So since it is a new app, I couldn't cope up with it. I didn't check with all those options. Okay, so I got struck it over here. Okay, fine. So let me start. Let me start again. Okay, so this is your turn on time. Okay, what is your turn on time? Turn on time. Okay, so about the turn on time, T on is equal to what? TD plus TR. So T turn on time is nothing but it is given by the notation T on. Okay, TON on. Okay, so this is your notation. And what is the formula? TD plus TR. What is TD? TD here it has been given as what time? It has been denoted as delay time. Okay, TD is nothing but delay time and TR is nothing but rise time. What is TR? TR is nothing but your rise time. Okay. So you will be getting your most 1 mark questions like a problem solving questions in this. Okay. And the next off time. Okay. Turn off time. Okay. Turn off time. Okay. Your turn off time it has been given by T off is equal to TS plus TF. Can anyone able to guess what is TS and what is TF? This is T, okay, TF. Okay, so TS is nothing but storage time. Storage time plus TF is nothing but your fall time. Okay, so this is one of your most important 1 mark question about regarding your capacitance, charging and discharging time. And the next thing is what? About the calculation of the speed up capacitor. Your next important, very important, the expected questions is your calculation of speed up capacitor. Okay, calculation of speed up capacitor. Okay, the under it the first option is A. Okay, what is that? The capacitor is charged. Consider the capacitor is charged. Okay, capacitor is charged 10 percentage. Okay, 10 percentage during its T on time means what? Okay, or else I will make it very simple, or I will make it very simple. What is the charging time of a capacitor? Okay, the question is what is the charging time of a capacitor? Okay, your charging time of a capacitor I can give the notation as T on. Okay, charging time is nothing but T on, where T on is equal to 0.1 RC. Okay, what is your charging time? Very important 1 mark question. Your charging time of an capacitor formula is 0.1 RC. So it tells you like to charge a capacitor, it takes a very small time. Okay, it takes a very small time to charge the capacitor. Come on, repeat it. What is your charging time of an capacitance? Come on, repeat. What is the charging time of a capacitor?
0.1 RC.
Yeah, it takes a very small time. Okay, for example, you are just consider an example. You are just using a mobile phone. You need to charge the mobile phone. So when you just plug into the mobile phone, it when as soon as you switch on the what your plug, your mobile has been charged to the maximum of 100%. The same way, for example, okay, for the same way, you have a capacitor over here and you are giving a source voltage over here. Okay, source signal, you have some of the diode circuit like this. So when you just switch on, when you just give an input voltage of Vi, what happens to this capacitor? This capacitor charges to the maximum voltage. Okay, maximum voltage. So charging time is very low. Okay, so understand your charging time for capacitor is what? Capacitor is high or low? Capacitor is, your charging time of capacitor is very low. So discharging time of a capacitor. Tell me about the discharging time of a capacitor. Your discharging time of capacitor is say please to tell me. Your discharging time of capacitor is very, very high. Okay. Okay, is it clear? Means what? Means what? Your charging time. Okay, let me write it in the form of an equation. Your charging time of an capacitor is, okay, your charging time is what? Very, very small. Okay, very, very small. Your charging time is very, very small. Whereas your discharging time is very, very greater. Okay, this is your charging time and this is your discharging time. Is it clear, students? Students, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, fine. So, we'll move on to the next concept of clipper. Okay, so clipper, in the last class itself I have taught you about the clipper. Okay, so what is a clipper? What is a clipper? Can you able to say what is a clipper circuit? What is a clipper circuit? Please do reply. Okay, so your clipper is actually classified into 4 types. Okay, 4 types. Okay, positive clipper, negative clipper, third one is biased clipper, and the fourth one is combinational clipper. Okay, so repeat it. What are the types of a clipper? Do repeat. Do repeat. What are the types of clipper? Are you people in the meeting? Do reply. So there are 4 types of clipper: positive clipper, negative clipper, biased clipper, and a combinational clipper. So let me teach you about each and every clippers now. Okay. So the very first one, positive clipper. Let me move fast. Okay, positive clipper. Okay, about the positive clipper, it is again classified into 2 types: series clipper and shunt clipper. Okay, how many types it is classified into? It is classified into series clipper and shunt clipper. Come on, students, you just reply me, then only I can proceed with the topic, so I can understand that you are understood with the basic concept. Please do reply. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Students, kindly reply me. Okay. Okay, so listen carefully. This is your positive clipper. Why it is called as positive clipper? Just understand. This is your negative terminal of a diode and this is your positive terminal of a diode. Okay, this is your diode symbol. Negative terminal of the diode, positive terminal of the diode. Okay, before getting into this, let me first tell you what is the functionality of the diode. Okay, this is your diode. Okay, so in this left end is called as anode and the rightmost end is called as cathode. Anode and cathode. This is your positive sign, positive symbol, and this is your negative terminal, positive terminal and negative terminal. When you have your more positive terminal at the positive side, the diode acts as a switch, closed switch. Okay, the diode acts as a closed switch. If your anode terminal is negative, your diode acts as an open switch. Okay, means what? This terminal is positive and this terminal is negative, means it acts as a closed switch. If this terminal is negative and this is positive, means it acts as an open switch. Means what? Your value. I'm not telling about the anode cathode region. I am telling about the values. This is values. Okay, this is values. Okay. If a value across here is positive and negative, then it acts as a closed switch. And here, if your value is negative, it acts as an open switch. Okay. Or else I can simply say it as, you have a diode like this. Okay, this is your original positive and original negative, anode cathode. And if you have your positive sine wave over here, positive sine wave over here, then this diode acts as what switch? Tell me. Then the diode acts as what switch? Tell me, students. Then the diode acts as a closed switch. Okay, the diode acts as closed switch. Means what? Your diagram is like this. Okay, it is closed switch. Okay, your diode is closed. Consider this is your D1. Your diode is closed. Okay, okay. So if your if you have a signal like this in the diode over here. Okay, if you have a signal like this, like a negative sine wave. Here it is your positive terminal anode, negative terminal cathode. Now this diode acts as what switch now? Act as what switch? Here it is a positive terminal anode, but the signal we are giving here is a negative signal. That is your negative half of the circuit. So your diode acts as an open switch. Okay, your diode acts as an open switch. Okay, so just remember this. Okay, so now let me move on to the concept of positive clipper. Okay, positive clipper. Positive clipper. Just look at this, the diagram. What is the diagram of your positive clipper? Your positive terminal is connected to the anode, is connected, taken at the output. Okay, anode is connected to the output. This is your anode and this is your cathode. This is given to the output terminal. So what happens over here is, what is your input signal? Your input is Vi. Okay, what is an input? Your input is Vi. Okay, so let me draw the circuit once again. Okay, let me draw the circuit here once again. Here across the resistor R, we are taking an output voltage, and across this, I am taking an input voltage Vi, and this is your diode. Okay, so consider this is your sine wave, input voltage sine wave Vi. What is your output signal? Input voltage Vi. What is your output signal? Means what? This is your time period T, and this is your amplitude V. Okay, amplitude V. Okay, this is your input waveform. Okay, this is your input waveform. So what happens at the output? Okay, so I'm going to divide this waveform into red wave as a positive wave and green wave as a negative wave. Okay, positive wave and negative wave. Let this be positive wave and green wave is a negative. So what happens if I give the positive wave over here? So red. So positive wave over here. So if I give a positive signal, what happens? Now tell me, positive wave kudukumbodhu, here the diode becomes here positive. Originally it is cathode. So your diode now acts as an open switch. Your diode acts as an open switch. So now what will be the output over here? What will be the output? So for an positive signal, now your diode is open. So your output voltage is 0 because there won't be any flow of the waveform. There won't be any flow of your signal. So your output is 0. So obviously for an positive signal, your output is what? Your output is 0. Output is 0. It lies over here. Now for a negative half cycle. For a negative half cycle, what is a negative half cycle? That is your green color. So for a negative cycle, what happens to the diode? This is your cathode and this is your anode, right? So what happens over here for negative cycle? It acts as a closed switch. Am I right? So it acts as a closed switch. Apo, it acts as a closed switch means what happens to the output? We get the output. Okay, what is an output we get? We get an output. Okay, so what is an output we get? So the same negative waveform. Okay, so we get an output, so we get a negative waveform. So this is called as what clipper? This is called as what clipper? The positive waveform is clipped off. So this is called as positive clipper. Can you able to follow, students? This is called as positive clipper. About the negative clipper, let me move on to the next clipper. Okay, what is the next type? What is the next type? Negative clipper. Okay, so negative clipper. About the negative clipper, again it is classified into series clipper and shunt clipper. Okay, series and shunt. Okay, so in that positive clipper, I just taught you about the series alone. I didn't teach you the shunt. Okay, so I will teach you the shunt over here. Okay, so negative clipper is classified into two types: series and shunt clipper. Okay, the diagram is. This is your diagram of negative clipper. Okay, negative clipper. So just remember, negative clipper means the cathode is taken at the output. The cathode is connected at the output, and this is your input voltage Vi, and here we are going to take the output voltage V0. So since here diode is connected in series, this is called as series clipper. And if the diode is connected in a shunt, okay, if the diode is connected in a shunt manner, then it is called as what clipper? Shunt clipper. Okay, this is your shunt clipper. Okay, this is the difference between your series and the shunt clipper. And why it is called as a negative clipper? So negative is connected to the output voltage. See here, negative is connected to the output and positive is connected to the ground. Just remember like that. Okay, output voltage V0 and this is your input voltage Vi. Okay, input voltage Vi, and this is your resistance R. Okay, so now let me tell you the working principle of your negative clipper. So what is your working principle? Okay, let me draw the diagram waveform. Okay, this is your waveform input sine wave, and I need to draw the output. This is your input signal and I need to draw the output signal. Now what will be the output signal? So divide the graph into two, positive half and your negative half. So positive half let it be in red color and negative half let it be in green color. So what is your positive signal and negative signal? Now draw your negative clipper circuit. Okay, now draw a negative clipper circuit for explanation. What is a negative clipper? Just to say series clipper, your negative cathode is connected to the output terminal. Okay, that is called your negative clipper. Cathode is connected to the output terminal. Okay, negative clipper. So now say me red waveform, red wave, that is your positive waveform has been given to the cathode. So positive is given to the cathode means now what does the diode act? The diode act as your closed switch. Now if the diode act as a closed switch, what is an output you get over here? The output is an positive, the same positive wave. The output goes like this. Okay, the same positive wave. So here you get an signal for a positive waveform. Now for a green wave, it is your negative signal. Okay, for a negative signal, what happens over here? For negative signal, the diode, the circuit is like this. The circuit is like this. Okay, you are giving the negative. Actually, this is your positive and negative terminal of the diode. And what is the output waveform? Just tell me. Here you are giving a negative waveform. Now, so the diode acts as what switch now? The diode acts as an open switch. Okay, diode acts as an open switch. So if the diode acts as an open switch, you won't get the output. The output is 0. So your negative portion is clipped off. Hence it is called as negative clipper. Can you able to follow, students? Hence it is called as negative clipper. Next one. And the next one is what clipper? Biased clipper. I am just going to give the biasing voltage. Okay. So the next third clipper is your biased clipper. Okay. Your third is your biased. And the third is your biased clipper. Okay. So if you just look at the concept of the biased clipper, okay, let me draw the diagram. What biased clipper? Positive biased clipper. Okay. You must check whether it's positive clipper or negative clipper. That is the main concept. Under positive clipper, whether it is biased, or under negative clipper, whether it is biased. Okay. So the positive clipper with an biasing voltage. What is an biasing voltage? Tell me what is mean by biasing. What is mean by biasing? It is a process of giving an external DC voltage to your circuit. Okay, your biasing is nothing but it is a process of giving an external DC voltage to the circuit. So, look at the circuit now. This is your diode. Since it is a positive clipper, your positive terminal is connected to the output voltage, and you have an load resistance, and you have a biasing voltage. Okay, biasing voltage. I call this as VR. Okay, I call this as VR, and this is your resistance R, and this is your diode. Okay, diode. Okay, this is your input voltage VI, and here across you take an output voltage V0. Okay, okay. So what clipper is this? Is it a series biased clipper or it is a shunt biased clipper? This is your series biased clipper. Your diode is in series. Now let me draw the shunt biased clipper. Okay, about the shunt biased clipper, your diode must be connected in shunt manner. This is your shunt biased clipper. Okay, output voltage V0. Okay, and your input voltage Vi. Output voltage V0 and the input voltage Vi. So now why it is called as positive clipper? Your positive terminal of a diode is connected to the output side. Negative is grounded. Similarly here your positive is connected to the output. So it is called as positive clipper. And why it is called as series? Here output voltage your diode is in series. இங்க output voltage க்கு your diode is in parallel. So it is called series clipper and your parallel clipper. Okay. Now what main important concept here in both the series and shunt. Okay. Both series and shunt. The important concept over here is your biasing voltage VR. Biasing voltage VR. Okay. Okay. So now let me explain you about the biased clipper. Okay. So how does it go? Okay, how does it goes? Okay. Now your waveform. Okay, let me give the waveform. This is your normal VI. VI is equal to Vm sin omega t. Okay. What waveform is this? Vi is equal to very important point. Vi is equal to Vm sin omega t. This is your waveform. Okay. Waveform is called as Vi is equal to Vm sin omega t. Okay, fine. So under this, what biasing we are going to give? Reply, what biasing is being given over here? Just look at this. What is a biasing given over here? Positive is connected and negative is grounded. Okay. Similarly, positive is connected, negative is grounded. So it is called positive VR plus VR. Okay, what VR is over here? Very important point. Plus VR. Okay. So in under this plus VR, what is your biasing voltage we have to draw over here? We have to draw we have to draw a plus VR line. This is your VR plus VR line. Let me draw the VR in the pink color line. This is your plus VR, somewhere at the positive region. Now, what is a positive clipper? Your positive waveform is clipped off. Your positive waveform is clipped off. Means what? You can dot the line at the bottom. You can dot the line at the bottom. So, positive portion is clipped means your positive portion is clipped. Means what? Here, let me draw the pink color line over here. This is your positive VR. Okay, the waveform is clipped over here. The waveform is clipped. So what is your original output? Let me draw an original output here. This is your original output. Can you able to follow, students? This is your the green waveform which I have drawn here is an original output. Okay, so let me explain you this concept the help of the circuit diagram. Okay, so what is a circuit diagram? The circuit diagram I have drawn it over here. Now tell me if I give the positive wave. Okay, the positive wave. Let me use a blue color pen. Okay, positive. So if I use a positive signal, what happens to the diode? Tell me. What happens to diode? The diode acts as open switch. Okay, the diode acts as the open switch. So there won't be any flow of the input waveform. So there won't be any flow of your input waveform. So what is an output signal you get? What is an output signal you get? You get the output which has been clipped at the positive VR region. Okay, you will get the output in the positive VR region. Like what? Like how? See, positive sine wave கொடுக்கிறேன். பாசிட்டிவ் சைன் வேவ் கொடுக்குறேன். அப்போ உனக்கு அவுட்புட் வோல்டேஜ் என்ன ஆகும்? விஆர் வரைக்கும் உனக்கு சிக்னல் வரும். அதுக்கப்புறம் உனக்கு வேவ் ஃபார்ம் வராது. ஓகே, ஆஃப்டர் தட் யூ won't get any output. Means what? The remaining portion of the sine wave is clipped. That is, your red portion is clipped and your blue portion here you will be getting at the output. Is it clear, students? Is it clear? Okay, I am not getting any reply from you all. Okay, so when the condition is okay, but the condition, so if you in the 1 mark questions, you will be like getting the conditions. Okay, so for positive cycle, what is the condition? Means you just for one condition, I will just explain you. When the input voltage, okay, when the input voltage is less than, when the input voltage is less than positive VR. Okay, positive VR means what? What does it tells you? Input voltage. Okay, this is your input signal. Okay, input signal, and your VR voltage, in VR voltage is this volt, let it be 5 volt. Okay, let it be 5 volt. Okay, so the input voltage here at the point here is 0 volt, 1 volt, 2 volt, and the input voltage is keep on increasing like this. Okay, what does it tells you? When the input voltage is less than VR, that is your diode act as, okay, diode act as what circuit? Your diode is closed. Means what? Your diode act as short circuit. Okay, your diode acts as short circuit. If a diode is short circuit, you will get the output. You will get the output. Okay, so if you get the output means what? You will be having the output over here. The red waveform, you will be having the output. Means what? The below region you will be getting the output, and the above region of VR you won't get the output. You won't get the output, and here you will be getting the output. That is the concept. Okay, is it clear? This is your positive bias. Okay, positive biased clipper. Positive biased positive clipper. Suppose your negative biased positive clipper. Okay, what happens to the negative biased positive clipper? Any guess? What happens to the negative biased positive clipper? Negative bias means the VR line definitely lies in which region? This is your sine wave. Okay, this is your sine wave. Negative biased means what? Your VR lies in which region? Negative region, minus VR. Okay, VR lies in minus VR. Now, what clipper is this? Okay, what clipper is this? This clipper, the heading of a clipper is positive clipper. Okay, heading is positive clipper. So, which region is clipped off? Which region is clipped off? Positive region is clipped off. So positive region is clipped off in the sense you will get the output below this, and you won't get the output positive region of VR. You won't get the output above this. Okay. If you just look at this, you will be getting the output in the below region. You won't be getting at the output in the positive region. Means what? Your positive waveform is clipped off. So what is an output wave? What is an output wave? Your output waveform, let me use a pink color and let me dot the line. This is your dot line and a dotted line. Okay, dotted line. Now what is your output wave? Tell me. Your output waveform is this now. So you won't get the output, and below wave you will be getting the output. This is your output waveform. Is it clear, students? Is it clear? The positive, this region all clipped off. You will get only this region. That is what the output I have drawn over here. Can you able to follow? Okay. Okay, so let me explain you with the circuit. Okay, let me explain you with the circuit diagram over here. Hmm. For the negative, I didn't draw the circuit, right? Okay, let me draw the circuit out of a negative biased clipper. Okay, so negative biased clipper, how should I draw my VR voltage? Negative must be at the top and the positive must be at the grounder. Since it is a positive clipper, positive terminal of a diode is connected to the output. Okay, output, and this is your resistor, negative bias, so negative terminal and positive at the ground. This is your output V0, this is your input V0, this is your circuit diagram. Can you able to follow, students? Okay, Vi. Okay, so what happens to your input? Let me draw the, check the input. Okay, if you give a positive wave, that is above the VR positive sign, your diode act as an open switch. Okay, your diode act as an open switch over here. Your diode act as an open switch. So for the open switch, what is an output you get? You won't get the output. You won't get any output from this, but what is an exact output you get is the voltage, parallel voltage. This voltage you will be getting at the output. Okay, this voltage you will be getting at the output. So for an output graph, my voltage is for this waveform. Okay, for this waveform, I am getting an voltage minus VR. Okay, so this is your minus VR. So output voltage is equal to minus VR. Okay, then for the next waveform, the next, what is the next cycle? Your next negative cycle. So if I give a negative cycle over here, let me use a next color pen. Negative cycle over here, what happens over here? This now, the diode act as a closed switch now. The diode act as a closed switch. So what happens? You will be getting the output. So you will be getting the output with an VR voltage. So this is your output. This is how it has been explained with an form of your circuit diagram and a graph. Okay. So the waveform goes like this. The output wave goes like this and the circuit functions like this. Okay. For an corresponding input signal, you will be getting an output waveform. So this is all about your clipper. Okay. So the next is your clamper. Let me move on to the next clamper. Okay, so what is a clamper? It is a combination of capacitor and a diode. Okay, there it is a combination of, what is a clipper? Clipper is a combination of diode and a resistor. Okay, here it is a combination of diode and a capacitor, that is called as clamper. Okay, so your positive clamper means, just understand your circuit diagram. This is your capacitor and here you are just connecting a diode. Okay, with a load resistance, output resistance RL. Okay, your diode is what over here? Negative terminal, positive terminal, and this is your capacitor C. Okay, so what is this? What does your the circuit cell tells you? This is your positive clamper. Okay, so for in a positive clamper, during the first quarter of the half cycle, positive half cycle, the input voltage Vi makes the capacitor charges. Okay, so let me write down, during the first half cycle, first quarter of the half cycle. Means what? This is your cycle, means I'm going to divide the cycle into 4 region. 1, 2, 3, 4. So totally 1 region, 2 region, 3 region, 4 region, 4 region. So first quarter. Okay. So first quarter means let this be 0, pi, 2 pi. Means what? 0, pi by 2 and goes on. Okay. So the during the first quarter. Okay. So 0 to pi by 2. During the 0 to pi by 2, what happens to the capacitor during the first quarter of the cycle? Your capacitor charges to the peak value. Capacitor charges to peak value. peak value of Vm. Okay, so during the first quarter, during this quarter, okay, during this first quarter, what happens to the capacitor wave, capacitor voltage? Your capacitor charges to the maximum, and after charging, what does it do? Now the capacitor has to discharge, right? Now the capacitor has to discharge. So once it has been charged, then after the maximum value, till this your capacitor has been charged. So for an input waveform, negative value. For this value, the black color, okay, the black color means this is your, this voltage is your maximum voltage. Now the capacitor here starts to discharge. The black color line gives you the discharging. The next half is discharging, and here it is your charging. Now just say me your charging time is very small. Okay, as I told you, the very starting class I just told you, your discharging time is very large. Okay, okay, fine. So what happens when the discharging of the capacitance? During the discharging time period, your diode is reverse biased. What happens? Your diode is reverse biased. So it acts as an what switch? Open switch. It acts as an open switch. So finally the output voltage V naught is been given as Vi plus Vm. What is V naught? V naught is given by Vi plus Vm. Okay. Okay. So now for the case. Okay. Now for the case, let me tell you the cases. Okay. Let me draw the graph like this. This is your input waveform. Okay. Consider this is your zero line input wave. Okay, input wave. I am dividing this into 4 region. Okay, what is an output equation? I told you. What is an output equation? Your output equation is V naught is equal to Vi plus Vm. Okay, Vi plus Vm. Now say, now tell me when, okay, when Vi is equal to 0. First case, Vi is equal to 0. Second case, Vi is equal to plus Vm. And the third case, Vi is equal to minus Vm. What is your plus Vm? This is your, let me write it over here. This is your first case, and here is your second case, and here is your third case. Okay, okay, now what will be your output? Now what will be your output? So for this case, your output V naught, when Vi is equal to 0, substitute in the equation. When Vi is equal to 0, V naught is equal to Vm. Okay, now when Vi is equal to plus Vm, what is V naught now? Substitute this. Vi is equal to plus Vm, this answer, this for this. When Vi is equal to plus Vm, what is V naught now? 2 Vm. Okay, and what is V naught now? Here, when Vi is equal to minus Vm, so output voltage is 0. So obviously, you will be getting an output of, okay, this is your 0 axis. Okay, this is your 0 axis, and this is Vm, and this is 2 Vm. Okay, so you will be getting an output graph like in this manner. So your waveform is clamped. Okay, so the waveform, original waveform is clamped above the DC load line, DC line, not DC load line, above the DC signal. Okay, so this is your working operation of your positive clamper. Okay, your negative clamper is just the opposite of your positive clamper. Okay, your negative clamper is just the opposite of your positive clamper. Okay, so how do I draw the negative clamper now? This is your negative clamper. Okay, negative clamper, your capacitor charges to the voltage of minus Vm. Okay, positive, negative. Okay, is it clear, students? This is your negative clamper. So it is just an opposite of your positive clamper. So what is an input voltage you get? This is your input signal. So you'll be getting an output voltage which has been clamped at the negative minus Vm. This is your minus Vm and minus 2 Vm. Okay. So obviously your output is like this. Okay. Output is like this. It has been clamped below the line. Okay.